is Venmo down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Venmo right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have this issue. So if I go to Google, to my favorite browser, and then if I type in Venmo down, which I will do it right now so you can see, and then if you go here to the first site, you will see that many users have reported some problems in the last 24 hours, and right now there are over 1,000 reports. Most reported problems are at payment to login and funds transfer. Also, if you scroll down, you will see some comments from people who also have this problem on Twitter, for example. So in conclusion, you are not the only one who has this. You just have to wait until they fix it. Unfortunately, there is nothing you can do. And the good news here is that you are not the only one. So if you do have this issue, you can comment in the comment section down below on our YouTube video and we will discuss there. And also you can like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.